Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Sidewalk Search Party Newscast. I'm Michelle Summer. Paco is still on vacation. We don't exactly know where he is, but he had a virtual background in front of a waterfall in Hawaii today. Paco is going to be featured in a newscast when he comes back. Anyway, we are continuing our series of reporters all over the city giving broken sidewalk updates. We have a special episode. Our roaming reporter, Betty Traynor, is live at the scene on dangerous broken sidewalk, interviewing Janet Tom, a St. Francis Square co-op resident.
Hi, I'm Betty Traynor here in the Western Addition. I'm the connector at St. Francis Square Co-op with the Community Living Campaign. And we're here at a cracked sidewalk in our neighborhood. And I want to introduce now Janet Tom, who's going to tell us about it. Here's Janet. All right. Hi, Janet.
Hello.
So how long has this broken sidewalk it's been located here, and give us a little idea where we are actually.
Okay, we're on Cleary Court. It's a little street that's located on Laguna between O'Farrell and Geary in the Western Addition. We're in front of a large apartment complex. So this is Cleary Court, and here is the crack.
Yeah. And how long do you think this sidewalk's been broken?
I think it's been broken for years because I've come up here walking up and down, and here is a large crack. It's about 2 inches and a whole block of cement and also a piece of cracked cement. It's happening here. So it's about halfway on this small block going up the hill.
Yeah. Has it been marked to be fixed?
No, it hasn't, and it never has been.
Mm-hmm. No. Okay. Why is it important to have these sidewalks smooth?
It's important because when people walk, often they don't pay attention, and you can easily trip on it if you're walking. Now, if you're a senior, that's even more dangerous because you might not be able to even get up there, or if you're on a walker, you certainly can't carry it up. It might be difficult. In that case, you'd have to go out to the end of the sidewalk and then go out in the street where the cars are coming down. That's pretty dangerous.
Yeah, it definitely is. On a scale of 1 to 5, Janet, how much is this broken sidewalk a tripping hazard?
This is a 5. A person could easily trip on it.
I agree, definitely. So how often do you use this sidewalk?
Oh, I go up about twice a week because there's St. Mary's Cathedral. Also, it's a shortcut to get up to Geary. So it's a street that people use fairly often.
Yeah, I know. A lot of our members at St. Francis Square use this street. So what should we do about it?
Well, they say to call 311 to report it, and if you can, take a picture of it, and they'll direct you from there on what to do.
Great. Thanks so much, Janet.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Betty and Janet, for showing how a broken sidewalk can be so hazardous. Below you will find the link to SF311 to report dangerous sidewalks. Thanks for watching, and keep quacking about broken sidewalks.